Making money without money, the ultimate challenge for entrepreneurs. In today's economy, it's tough to make money without money. That's why so many entrepreneurs are looking for ways to make money without money. There are a few ways to make money without money. One way is to start a business with little to no capital. This can be done by starting an online business or by offering services that don't require a lot of upfront investment. Another way to make money without money is to invest in assets that will generate income, such as real estate or stocks. Making money without money is the ultimate challenge for entrepreneurs. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to succeed, but it is possible to do it if you're willing to put in the effort. In today's business world, it is becoming increasingly difficult to make money without money. This is especially true for entrepreneurs who often have to start from scratch and build their businesses from the ground up. The ultimate challenge for entrepreneurs is to find ways to make money without resorting to traditional methods such as taking loans or selling equity in their businesses. There are a number of ways to make money without money, and each has its own set of challenges. One way is to find investors who are willing to provide capital in exchange for a share of the profits. For entrepreneurs, making money without money is the ultimate challenge. It's not impossible, but it is definitely difficult. There are a few ways to do it, but they all require a lot of hard work and dedication. One way to make money without money is to start a business with no upfront investment. This means that you'll need to find other ways to finance your business, such as through loans or crowdfunding. Another way to make money without money is by freelancing or becoming an entrepreneur consultant. This can be a great way to start making some extra income, but it's not always stable or reliable. The best way to make money without money is through PIS are forms of income that don't require any work on your part, such as dividends from stocks or rental income from properties. The risk of being an entrepreneur. In recent years, being an entrepreneur has become increasingly popular. A lot of people are drawn to the idea of being their own boss or having the freedom to work on their own terms. However, there are also a lot of risks that come with being an entrepreneur. One of the biggest risks is financial instability. When you are your own boss, there's no guarantee that you'll always have steady work coming in. This can make it difficult to pay your bills and support yourself or your family. There's also the risk of burnout. When you're constantly working on new projects and trying to grow your business, it can be easy to get overwhelmed and burn out. This can lead to health problems and decreased productivity. Despite the risk, there are also a lot of rewards that come with being an entrepreneur. You'll be able to work for yourself and control your own schedule. You'll also have the opportunity to create something from nothing, which is extremely rewarding. The difficulties describe the difficulties of making money without money. One of the biggest challenges for entrepreneurs is making money without money. This can be a difficult feat as most businesses require some form of investment to get started. Without access to capital, many entrepreneurs are forced to rely on personal savings or loans from the family and friends. There is no guarantee that the businesses will be successful and repay the loan. Another difficulty of making money without money is finding customers or clients willing to pay for your product or service. This can be especially challenging startups as they often lack the brand recognition or reputation of established businesses. To attract customers, startups need you should have the value to provide or you should have a competitive price. It requires a lot of hard work and dedication. The solutions offer some solutions to the challenge of making money without money. There are a few solutions to the challenges of making money without money. One solution is to start a business with very little overhead. For example, you could start a pet sitting business or loan care business. So you could start it with a couple $100. Another solution is to get creative with your income sources. If you have the skill set or talent that you can offer to other people, there are many ways to monetize that skill as an investment. So another thing is you can advertise it and you can make money online through Fiverr and Upwork. While there is no easy answer to the challenge of making money without money, these solutions can help entrepreneurs get started on the path to financial success. The benefits or highlight of making money without money. There are many benefits to making money without money. So the most obvious benefit is that it can be done without borrowing from others or using credit. This means that the entrepreneur can keep their businesses afloat during tough times and avoid costly interest payments. Additionally, making money without money can help the entrepreneur to develop a stronger work ethic and become more resourceful. Finally, by succeeding in this challenge, the entrepreneur can prove to themselves and others that they are truly dedicated to their business and capable of achieving anything they set their mind to. A final thought on making money without money. When it comes to making money without money, the conclusion it is very simple. It is possible but it's not easy. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication and creativity to make it work. Number one, it's all about the mindset. If you believe that you can make money without money, then you'll be able to succeed. Number two, be resourceful. There are many ways to make money without using traditional methods like loans or investments. Think outside the box and get creative. Number three, stay focused and dedicated. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. Feel free to share your thoughts by commenting below. See you next week.